A big winner, big girl. You're alright. You're okay. Nobody's going to bother you. You're alright. You're a big sow. You're doing a good job. Yeah, you're doing a good job with them babies. They're beautiful. Be nice. Good girl. Don't want to get run over. Wow, look at all the pigs. Yeah, you're protecting them real good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You still got all 11. Good job. Wow. She lost some weight. She's working hard making milk for all them little girls and boys. That's a girl. That's a good girl. She's getting in between me. Nah, you're all right. Relax. You're all right, big girl. They're cute little guys and girls, aren't they? They are adorable. You pick one up and they scream like you're tearing their head off. They get all nut crazy. Oh, there's a little runt over there. That little black one. And, on the right side there.